Hi everyone, this is Daisen. Welcome back. So in previous tutorial we talked about copycat and machine learning rotoscoping, but I find a new technique of rotoscoping. Let me show you. See, we have this footage from previous tutorial, and as you can see, these branches was a headache and a problem to rotoscoping all these branches. So I have this new technique. I find out, I don't know it's new or not, but to me it's new. It's using plane tracker. So the thing is, we are using plane tracker for one branches as a parent. You see, I'm doing this branch. This is the main branch, you can say. It's up to you, honestly. Took one Roto as a parent, so I'm doing that precisely. So because this is the parent and we need to track this in precision, you see. So this is our Roto shape and this is purple. Pay attention to that and I will track that. You see, I am tracking that. Let's fast forward and I did some adjustment, of course. You see, we need precision and boom, this is our tracking Roto. You see, this is simple for 300, but the problem was the rest of the branches, right? Because all the branches, it will take so long to track each one, you see. So we gonna do something cool rather than that. So in here, we are going to use this parent for driving the rest of the branches. For example, this one, you see, I draw this shape, but it's purple. You see, it's assigned to plane tracker. So we need to check that and turn that to red. You see, now it's red. And so it's now a subtree of the main track. You see, it will drive by the main track, by main plane. You see, just you need a small adjustment, you see, to make it perfect, but the main track, it's done by the main plane tracker. Wow, that's amazing. And you see, I did all these Roto for all branches, and let me show you, this is a not track branches. You see, the red one, it's not tracked. And you see, let me show you the final result, and voila, you see, it's perfectly stable. Wow, that's amazing. This is without and this with branches. And this is the final result, and you see, that's amazing technique. I hope you enjoyed it. See ya.